So the last time I was in Boston, I went over to Boardfam's place and we added the Ring doorbell as well as the Ring floodlight cam, which is absolutely amazing products. But today we're going to be adding more stuff to her connected home. Hi guys, Thunder E here, and I want to let you know that this video is brought to you by Home Depot, where you can pick up all your connected smart home devices. So what are we adding today? We're adding a couple of things. The first thing is the Ring Alarm Security System. Now, what this does is it brings, of course, a security system and adds into the Ring network. In this case, Boardfam already has the Ring doorbell and flood cam, and it works with the Ring application. It's very easy and simple. It comes with a couple of things. Retails for about $199, so cost price is actually not expensive. First thing that you have in there is a base station. The base station basically connects all the security IoT devices and also has built-in 104 decibel alarm. So if someone were to break in or something like that, it can sound off to scare them or at least, alert you as soon as possible. Now, the other thing also it does have in there is a keypad. You're going, wait, what about I can use my phone? Well, in case your phone's not around, it's not charged, whatever the case may be, you can turn off the alarm, turn it on with the keypad, which is nice. You've also got a motion sensor, detect motion, so you can set that whatever you want within the application. And you also have a contact sensor, which is pretty key for windows, for maybe a back door in your house, so you know when it's open, when it's closed, if someone's in there. And you've also got a range extender to extend the range of your connection between the base station as well. So that's nice. Again, it all works with the Ring application. The base station has a 24-hour backup battery as well, so in case you lose power. And it's pretty nice. I actually like it. It's simple, it's easy to use. Now, the other thing that we'll be adding, or we added actually to Boardfam's place, is also lighting. Of course, connected home is not just about security options. There's also things that are really nice, like lights. Sometimes you just don't want to walk over to the switch to actually turn it off. You can use either voice controls or use the app on your phone. And we connected two sets of lights in her place. One were the Philips Hue lights. We all know and heard about Philips Hue. They're great. They've got a plethora array of lights. This is the Philips Hue starter pack. This is a 4-pack system, basically 4 lights and a base hub. Really easy to set up and connect. That's one thing I love about Philips Hue. They've built a system that is nice to use. And of course you can control, there are many scenes you can actually build and set. You can build your own scenes, there are preset scenes, there are many scene applications you can download. You can actually connect it to different things like your TV, games as well. So there are a lot of ways you can use it. The one thing about Philips Hue is just the price point can be higher, but it is worth picking up before light strips, all sorts of stuff that you can add with that and expand the Philips Hue system. Now, the other lights, connected light switch we use is actually the Wiz light switch. Now, this is more affordable. It's also really easy to use, and it's pretty fast and nifty in terms of just changing your lights, changing the scenes. I like it because of its cost and also its very simple practicality. Now, one thing I didn't mention is all these things can be linked to your Google Home or Alexa. So you've still got that integration there, and that's something that's pretty nice. And I think a lot of people will like that in terms of just trying to set up your own connected home, because one thing we tend to forget is that there's so many different ecosystems out there that you can select from, and you can pick and choose whatever you want. But as long as it's simple and it works for you, that is the best thing. So there you have it, guys. This is our second video in basically making Boardfam's apartment into the most connected old apartment in Massachusetts. So if you have any questions or any comments, let us know. Otherwise, don't forget to like and share this video. If you have any, as I said, if you have any questions, don't forget to like and share this video. Also, if you want to pick up any of these devices, go ahead and use the link down below. Check it out at Home Depot, who are the sponsors of this video, where you can pick up a lot of these devices at your local Home Depot store or online. And again, guys, thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do for the first time, hit the notification icon to get notified with our latest videos. This is Thunder E saying thank you and always enjoy your entertainment.